Alright, I'm going to be taking the tractor with the ripper tines on it, the 6 foot or 5 foot box blade on the back. We're making a 20 by 50 foot garden. I only have the ripper tines, otherwise I'd use the tiller, but I don't have the tiller attachment. I do have some plastic on the other side over here that I got given to me, some thick plastic to go down, and so I'm going to rip it all up, get all the sod and everything into a pile, and then start cutting the plastic up, landing, or scoop all the my box blades dropping. Anyway, I'm going to rip it all up, get everything loosened up, and then I'm going to scoop it all out and then lay the plastic in there. It's going to be, you know, a few inches deep. Get the plastic in there, and then I don't think I'm going to be using this soil. I'll probably get some fresh stuff and dump some fresh stuff in there from, you know, get a truckload in or something like that, but we'll see. Alright, I got all the edges dug out. I got the rocks and the roots pulled out, you know, the ones big enough to make a problem. And plastic's down. This is 20 feet wide by 50 foot. There's about an 8 foot section down there that it's going to be for corn. It's going to get filled back in with the regular dirt that I pulled out. This is all going to be topsoil, and there'll be rows in here of topsoil. It'll all pretty much come up level with the ground because I want everything just level with the ground, the walking surfaces and the garden surfaces. I didn't use much plastic. These rolls are absolutely huge. I got given to me, so I think I'm gonna run and take those and put them in the driveway, the new driveway that I made, and then have a load of gravel dropped off. Maybe I can use it for that. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this held down by some stuff and get a load of topsoil brought in, and then I'll be back.